Serverless architecture is gaining more and more popularity in the market, and most of the teams and architects they are suggesting to move their application patterns to serverless. Serverless basically mean we can run our code without provisioning and managing servers. So it means right, it's completely zero maintenance of servers. We're not going to even think 1% about how to provision servers, how to maintain them, and our focus is primarily going to be on how to build our logic and how to run our applications. Let's talk about serverless benefits. Number one, zero server management. We don't have any servers to manage when we are running our applications in serverless architecture. So by default, the serverless architecture provides high availability for our applications. It's built in. So no need to architect for high availability. It also provides flexible scaling where it auto scales. Otherwise, we also can adjust the capacity based on our throughput needs. And no need to pay for idle capacity. That is, we're not going to pay when our code is not executing. We are going to pay only when we are going to pay only for the duration of a code executes. So these are the nice benefits we get when we go with serverless architecture model. How this Lambda works in serverless architecture. So Lambda is a serverless component. Lambda is a serverless compute engine provided by Amazon Web Services. Using Lambda, we can run our code without thinking about servers. And let's also discuss about the use cases where Lambda is used. We can run Lambda in response to events. For example, the event can be any operation in your Amazon Web Services. Maybe launching instance can be an event, terminating instance can be an event, creating IAM user can be an event, or any operation in AWS can be an event. For example, I want to process a file when object is uploaded to S3 and I want to store that information into DynamoDB. In this case, the event is object created in S3. For that event, we can trigger Lambda, which has piece of code which takes that file, which does some processing and stores that information into this TP. So likewise, event can be any operation we perform on AWS. We also can run Lambda in a schedule. For example, I want to take EBS snapshots every 3 hours in production. That can be done with help of Lambda. So using Lambda, we write a code which takes the snapshots of all our EBS and it keeps them in S3. We also can use Lambda for backend applications, meaning let's say we have a traditional web-based application where we build REST APIs, and when we send any request to REST APIs, it executes some code. That code can be written in Lambda, and that in turn can persist the data into DBs. And the clients can be a mobile application, web browser, or it can be a tablet or any kind of application. So these are the languages Lambda supports. We can write Lambda logic in Java, C Sharp, Python, Node.js, and Go. Please subscribe for more interesting concepts on Lambda. Thank you.